Hi, this is Curt and welcome to another edition of Fire Law Roundup.
And then my favorite case. This is just my favorite. I don't know what the Mormons are doing here. We're in Utah. I don't know if you have any knowledge on this, but a fire department goes to a house. There's no allegation from either side that they have the right to use this house as a training house. And if you look at the pictures, please look at your pictures if you're watching this on his blog. I'm going to put the pictures
up. Yeah.
Oh, please do. This is a nice house. This is not a rundown hoarder piece of crap house. The department goes to this house, destroys it, uses it as a training facility, leaves. The owner comes home like, what the heck just happened to my house? And then tells the fire department, look, just pay for this. The city. Now it's like the second or third picture shows the quality of this house. That's the garage, nothing wrong with this. But look at this picture. What are they doing? This picture of the inside. There we go. Inside of the house. This is a nice house. This was not. I mean, they tore this apart. So I have no idea why. But what's crazy?
Maybe they started a vent hole here and they didn't finish it.
Yeah, but
right there you can see they covered over there.
Yeah, But if you look, I mean, this isn't like a hoarder house. This is a nice property apparently. And they destroy it. But that's not the crazy part. The crazy part is, look, if this was an accident, you went to the wrong house, maybe the captain said, hey, go train at 123 Main Street, and it was 123 Main Road. They break down the door. A first sign, you're probably at the wrong house when you got to break down the door to the training house. But nonetheless, they break down the door and get in and destroy the house. And yet the city won't pay for it, or whoever won't pay for it. And so the lawyer now saying, I got to sue you. I mean, he's lucky they're not calling the police, frankly.
A lot of times folks will write into me, giving me the backstory on cases, and no one's reached out to me on this one. So, I mean, I'm hoping that there was some sort of a mistake, maybe even that the homeowner originally agreed to allow the house to be used, and then there was some mix up on the paperwork or some explanation for this. Not that they just you just randomly went up to a house. It doesn't even make sense that
I'm sure there's good. This wasn't malicious, right? There was a mistake, maybe a non-defensible mistake, but a mistake. But look, in the end, this is just about why is the homeowner being forced to sue over, unless you've got a document that says you gave us the house, and you transferred the house to us. Why isn't this just an insurance issue? I agree with what you and I were talking about before the show. This is crazy.
It should have been turned over to the insurance company, and then it's between the homeowner and the insurance company as to exactly how much how much damage, what's it going to cost to fix it.
Right. And frankly, it doesn't look that bad that it can't be fixed. It looks like it's blown in insulation and some, drywall and a door and windows, but it's all fixable. They didn't burn it down. I just a little shocked. So anyway, I'm sure we'll get some information. And hopefully if you're listening and you're in Utah, write to Curt. We'd love to know what really happened here.
Absolutely.
That's our 5 cases for the week.
All right. Well, I just want to remind folks that, we need some more subscribers. We're trying to get up to 1,000. I think we had 665 or 670 or so as of now. We really want to get up to 1,000. That's like an important benchmark for YouTube. So if you can help us by subscribing, that would be very much appreciated. And please click like. That helps as well. Like and share. And that's going to do it for another edition of Fire Law. I'm going to be in Boise next week on Monday, so we'll have to figure out when we're going to do. We won't be able to do it Monday, maybe do it Sunday night or whatever. But for those who are listening, so just if you're subscribed, it'll send you an email letting you know when we're going live. But probably won't be next Monday at 1 o'clock. So all right, and that'll do it for another edition of Fire Law Roundup.